Hi everyone, we're here now in Liverpool line. Yan, train na sila. Hi guys, welcome to Liverpool. Ayan. We're here now in Liverpool. The station is quite big. Manlaki-laki mo. So ayan guys, look at po. Saan kaya kami pupunta? First time namin pumunta dito, Liverpool. Oh my god, I don't know where we're gonna go out. We're gonna go out. Huh? Well, it's really easy to come here. Well, at the moment, we find go. Tingnan ninyo outside. It's a big tree, TV over there. Have a look. Oh my God, it's raining. It's raining. We don't have umbrella. Ayan guys. Oh, it's raining. Wow, Liverpool. Oh no, beautiful. Ito guys, ito na yung Liverpool St. John. Oh my God, it's amazing, but it's raining too much in here. Wow, the big building is immense. It's beautiful. Oh no, this is the station. And the buses, we cannot see anything yet, so but slowly because it's... Yeah. Oh no, this is Liverpool. The Liverpool. Umuulan. Ay. Oh my God. Really scary. Oh my, ay. I'm sorry. Oh. Wow, a bit cold. Windy, raining. Horrible weather. Ayan. But hopefully gonna be okay. Tingnan nyo guys. Ito yung Liverpool. Ayan. Liverpool Lime Street. This is the town going over there. Wow, I don't have idea. So come on, follow them. Sandbury. Ayan guys. So, I don't know, go that way. Ricky, that way. What's the shopping center then? Okay. Use your map. Use your map.
What map?
Map over there. I'm running, huh? Wow.